humans only use 10% of their brains. True or false?
Say true.
It is false. Brain imaging shows all parts of the brain have a function, even when at rest. The 10% myth is just a popular misconception. It's impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. True or false?
I'm gonna say it's true.
False. Gonna try. While most people instinctively close their eyes, it's physically possible to sneeze with your eyes open, though not recommended. Closing is just a natural reflex to protect. Really? Can you imagine how weird that would be?
I have tried it while I was driving because I'm like, I can't close my eyes.
No, I've tried keeping mine open. I have tried so hard. I can't.
That's
It's really hard, and you feel ridiculous
hard.
doing it.